It is another lovely morning. It is, what time is it? 6:13 in the morning. Squeaks and Fishy are here. And Ari's just going to come and help me do some cooking quickly. Come on, little legs. Right, little legs. What's this? Croissants? I need you to open this. You have to peel it. Put it up here and peel it. Open some croissants. What you done? What is that?
That doesn't look like a croissant.
No. So we have to unroll it.
And it's all sticky.
It is all sticky. Don't know how this works. Here we go. They do not look like croissants. I don't even know how to do that.
Maybe squidge them in a little ball.
Roll up loosely as shown on picture. Well, this does not look like it's going to be a croissant. Or is it going to be a different shape? Because these look weird. What is that?
Oh, come back, then. Come on this way.
No idea what that is. So you have to roll them, Ari. These are going to be weird shaped croissants.
Can I roll it?
Yeah, you can roll one. I don't know what that hole was. That came out of it. Looks like a corn kernel.
Oh, what?
Weird. Right, Ari. Look. You roll it.
Like this?
Yeah, perfect. And put it on the tray. Yeah, and do another one. You're being a creeper. Lovely job. And then pop it on here at this end. Lovely. Let's see what our croissants look like when they come out. So Ari's croissants don't particularly look very croissant-y, but they look nice. And then we've got some toaster strudels, apple ones. Today's breakfast. Ari's weird croissants, toaster strudels, bacon that I burnt, and fruit. Looks good. Right, Bender? Going for your bungee jump?
Yep.
Nervous?
No.
Oh. Why not?
Because I don't get nervous.
He doesn't get nervous, it's really annoying. Even a cuddle. That a nice cuddle. Lovely job. Let you see.
Yeah.
What you want to see? You want to see your cuddle? Okay, look. Lovely cuddle.
Well done.
Oh, big sister in as well. Get off him!
Bum, 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 bum.
With Bumpy, Ari.
That looked like that.
The bungee bridge.
We are at wildplay Nanaimo because Daddy is going to do a bungee jump, isn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah. Who else wants to do one?
Me.
You want to do a bungee jump?
Yeah.
I don't think they're going to let you. You're too small.
I'm big.
You're big.
Yeah.
Yeah, Daddy's going to do a bungee jump. You excited now you've seen it?
Yeah, that's alright.
We are at the lookout point for the bungee. The bridge is here. And I think Ben is going to start walking up in a minute. And then he's due to jump, sort of. I don't know how long it takes to get set up, but yeah, we'll see. He's got a GoPro as well. They're going to attach it to his foot. So then you'll be able to see that footage as well. What is that sassy dancing?
This is my bridge, and that's the water.
Go on then.
Gonna jump, and I'm gonna jump.
Ready, steady. Well done. Where's your one, Ari?
That's hard bungee jumping. It's for the 258-year-olds. Zero.
Hello. What are you doing in your den? See, he's just made me make him a den. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? There he is! Oh, you den broke. Here comes Daddy. Yeah, say woo, go Daddy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Shitting farts.
That one.
Oh my god. No, thank you.
Awesome. So we're going for that water today. So what I want you to just keep lying, hands above your head, okay?
Okay.
Awesome. You're gonna stand up, little tiny steps out there, toes straight line.
Hands above my head, yeah?
Yeah. That'll just better your chances as well as don't jump out, just tip over.
Just tip over, yeah?
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
Fantastic. And just hold on tight. We're going to go for a little ride. Wonderful. Okay, you can let go. I've gotcha. And you're going to look at your toes for me, okay? Chin to your chest. Fantastic. They're going to lower you down nice and slow. Wonderful.
Thank you.
Yeah. How was it?
Go, 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 Ari. And you can't fall. Even if your legs fall off, you won't fall anywhere, I promise. Super job. Little adventurers. Good job, fish farts. Foxy, what's Aria doing?
I'm in.
He wants to do it. He also wanted to do a bungee jump.
Yeah, alright, maybe a little bit taller.
Yeah.
She's shivering.
I'll get out of your way there.
You're alright. You gonna take him for a walk?
Yeah.
You're doing so good. Well done.
This looks okay, but how do you get that bit?
I don't know, baby. We'll have to look. Oh, I think you pull the rope. Yeah. Don't worry. When you get to it, we'll do it. Amazing. Then step on and do your carabiner.
Sit.
And then you got to sit on it like you do on a thingy, like a zip line. Yeah. Amazing.
Gary, we'll get you something warm.
Ari, did you have to get down? Was it too cold?
Little things are always cold on your hands.
No. Go on, Squeaks. Ready?
Kids right
Go.
now, my one
Woo! Was that fun?
Yay.
Squeaks is up there. Where is she? There she is. Ben's had to take Fox with him in the car because it's really cold and he needs a nap. Ari's in the buggy trying to keep warm because she was too cold. Mika just like slipped on one of them. Didn't hurt herself or anything. She's obviously attached. I was pissing myself laughing, and Demi, the girl in charge, was just like giving me death stares because I'm like a shit mum.